Sure, here's a humorous take on planning for the future. Title: Mapping out tomorrow's chuckles. In this video, we'll navigate the maze of future planning with a humorous twist. Cue the English language for some pronunciation practice. A. Remember, mastering pronunciation may seem as elusive as finding a moose in a maple syrup factory, but practice makes perfect. A. Step 1. Let's delve into the delightful world of microgreens. First, gather your materials: seeds, soil, trays, and water. Don't forget your green thumb. Step 2. Wash and soak your seeds like you're giving them a spa day. They'll thank you with bountiful growth. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep at it, and soon you'll be harvesting your own little patches of green goodness. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be fluent in both English and the art of growing microgreens.
Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will.
Title: Step-by-Step Guide to Planting Broccoli Seeds. Step 1. Gather your materials. To start your broccoli growing journey, you'll need the following materials: broccoli seeds, seedling trays or pots, high-quality potting mix, watering can or spray bottle, plant labels, optional, plastic wrap or a humidity dome, optional. Step 2. Prepare the seedling trays. Fill your seedling trays or pots with moistened potting mix, leaving about a ½ inch of space at the top. Make sure the soil is well draining and free of clumps. Step 3. Sow the seeds. Place the broccoli seeds on top of the soil, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Gently press the seeds into the soil, but don't bury them too deeply, just deep enough to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. Step 4. Watering. Using a watering can or spray bottle, moisten the soil thoroughly. Be careful not to disturb the seeds. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged, throughout the germination process. Step 5. Provide adequate light. Broccoli seeds need plenty of light to germinate and grow into healthy seedlings. Place the seedling trays in a location with bright and direct sunlight, or use grow lights if natural light is limited. Step 6. Maintain optimal temperature. Broccoli seeds germinate best in temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees centigrade to 24 degrees centigrade. Keep the growing area warm and draft-free to encourage successful germination. Step 7. Monitor and care for seedlings. Keep a close eye on your broccoli seedlings as they grow. Make sure they are receiving enough water and light, and watch out for any signs of pests or diseases. If using plastic wrap or a humidity dome, remove it once the seedlings begin to emerge to prevent mold and mildew. Step 8. Transplanting seedlings. Once your broccoli seedlings have developed 3 to 4 true leaves and are strong enough to handle, they are ready to be transplanted into larger pots or directly into the garden. Harden off the seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions before transplanting to reduce transplant shock. Step 9. Planting in the garden. If transplanting into the garden, choose a sunny location with well-draining soil. Space the broccoli plants about 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for proper air circulation and growth. Plant the seedlings at the same depth as they were in their containers, and water them thoroughly after planting. Step 10. Provide care and maintenance. Keep your broccoli plants well watered, and mulch around the base of the plants to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize the plants with a balanced fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks to promote healthy growth and development. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and take appropriate measures to control them if necessary. Should any questions arise, we encourage you to reach out via our comments section. Moreover, if this content resonates with you and you know someone who would benefit from it, we kindly ask you to share this video with them. Title: Maximizing the impact of your video engagement in today's digital age. Engagement is key to success on platforms like YouTube. By liking, sharing, and commenting on videos, you not only show support for creators, but also help increase their visibility and reach. Subscribing to channels ensures you never miss out on new content and helps creators grow their audience. Importance of liking, sharing, and commenting. Liking a video signals to YouTube's algorithm that it's worth watching, increasing its chances of being recommended to others. Sharing spreads the video to a wider audience, amplifying its impact. Commenting fosters community engagement and provides valuable feedback to creators, helping them improve future content. How to make your voice heard. Leave constructive comments that offer insight or appreciation for the content. Share videos with friends and on social media platforms to introduce others to content they might enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like button to show your support and subscribe to channels you love to stay updated on their latest uploads. Encouraging feedback for future videos. We value your input and want to create content that resonates with you. Leave your suggestions, ideas, and feedback in the comments section to help shape future videos. Your engagement not only helps us improve, but also ensures we're delivering the content you want to see. Take action today. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating content that matters. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join our growing community of viewers. Remember, your engagement matters. Together, let's make every video count. Should any questions arise, we encourage you to reach out via our comments section. Moreover, if this content resonates with you and you know someone who would benefit from it, we kindly ask you to share this video with them.